Hello! It's the Boston Bonsai Idiot. It's late summer. It's time to check on those air layers. Well, sorry I've been quiet. Here's a preview of what my summers looked like. June, get out of the pantry. Get out of June. No, June. June, get out of the... June, out of the bathroom. No, June, that's IKEA. June, get off the cooler. Don't go in the bathroom. Don't go in. Yep, don't have kids. So Peter Chan himself told me it is time to check on those air layers. So let's head through the jungle, what used to be my garden, and take a look. Cheers. Man, I hope I didn't just break those roots. I almost can't believe it. But then again, I kind of can. Look at roots, baby. I'm going to carefully work on this until I get it off. Honestly, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That's fantastic. The question is, where do I cut it off? I don't want this entire branch. It's a big ass branch. Oh shit. Cut it to there? Or do I just keep this amount? Shoot. Okay, I've thought about it and I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think for now, I'm gonna chop it there and keep the few branches that are coming out of this point here, because I want to at least keep some of the thickness of that branch. If I were just to keep this, you know, I'm starting from a tiny little twig. It's just a tiny stump of a trunk. I think what I can do in the future is, if this lives, I can trunk chop it back to try to get some more taper. So that's what I'm going to do. If it seems like the roots can't keep up with all those leaves, I'll chop it again. It's not a bad little tree for my first Japanese name. Let's hope it lives. So Peter Chan says, go ahead and just use sphagnum moss when you cut your air layer off the tree. So guess what I'm going to do? So that's it for that one. Just gonna keep it in a shady place and hope for the best. Hope the squirrels don't get to it. Keep it watered and I'll keep you updated. Ya-da-da-da-da. There's the camera. Ya-da-da-da-da. Strawberries. Strawberries. Tomatoes. You silly goose. plum tree. And this guy is the air layer. Owie! Ugh. Oh, I'm getting Lyme disease for sure. Remember this? Whoa, yes. And we've definitely got some roots. Not as much as the maple, but we'll see what happens when I take this thing off. I'm definitely taking it off. There's no way I'm leaving this thing on. Time to start hacking. So I can't even remember what the intent was with this one. I'll have to go back and look at the old video. Well, here's the piece I was thinking about doing. Imagining this is some sort of literati-ish. But I've let all of that grow. Because one of you told me that the more stuff over there is better for whatever happens down here in terms of the air layer. It'll up your chances of success. And we'll see if that's enough roots. No idea. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut it right here.